I think said Yedana Samuabe, you know, she was doing it to cover the Christendom. What you say? But my problem is, why should Nana Agradaa involve herself into this? Because this is not the issue of a conforming Christopher. Oh, because we always appreciate their home than our own. If I tell you, because some of it now, or particular thing you see, show the Muslim for your cry friend. Now, yes, you are condemning your own party.
If you are then watching you, any and a ban to nieces Lamafo, through stage for him, a microphone, Eddie free, Unia bar, new to nieces or no address blessing, same at a and tempi. Now, Mwabekaya, a evangelist diner, some more being, Semiano church, more matter say, and some more kind, some get matter say, or Buffalo be so Emma Copiemu, say a yet, Mammy Agradaa or no acting a kung fu, yet, I say a so ye Juma, you didn't the PMB artist or 2 years ago, Okunko for Edieska Gary. Now, no, Mamma share penny notes. I call you more happy news, Ediafa evangelist diners among not to say whatever about the Nas and get right in some waka, and we shall come because we come and many never quit and Maminka, and some pot in the Okawa. And no here pass give him ye. Na and no NSA waka echo sees to say evangelist diners and what Mr. Crana drink no Sam Bay Christo Nima Padia no a young mamma confuba rather no super sacred up a Jan and life. I'm a Christo no so I shall say a manasa as same wakano. A tongue of 14 go for dream wa bobo was a as mamika a mudo. A pa. Now send a deep different yatonsa at their friend a yes of penny hour da. Yes, Shiloh Embassy, or her, Meka, yet Dr. Stephen Poe, only ever called some panity, who may be at the bread, now bombing name or Aquabasco. Also, penny.
Aha,
Shiloh Embassy for what to say.
Namia Domobia Hoye, Namibusu Eshra Obia.
It is what they say, number 2 worms of penny.
In fact, Namibusu Ishrami, Ushamia, Ogusu Ishrami.
Okala no cry a symbol. Fresh.
Amen. Amen. Amen.
Yeah. Na sana misha si wa mincho ni sema mekai no. Amanfo kasa. Bisa say sisi akwese Kristo sumu no. Won shoda nti nyama si yenka tete no ye ka Kristofo a. Enkunyo obi a netimi ka Kristofo asem. Kristo ni kasa wiase ye dinti. Kristo ni somsu obo mpaya. Obi a kana nutum hwe sede na ebesi. Kristofo tu anamo a obi a de ni date ba sisi ano Kristofo ya na yesi anu yasi fo krenya tum wo mo so ade say ena yasi fo na tu Kristofo fo di akọ wie mu ne papa mu anade na mu mu amu ye enkindifo amu da Kristo suma no say asofo no asese wo mafa sisi ade nu mo post enka mu na emutu ya ye mu followers no fo no yesi anu ye yasi fo amatesa emu akonfo ene wo mutu ye fo sisi a ye ncha se fi wo
me da wase pa me de nchia kese de ma wo hwefo wo mo a omo hwe ye on say ade ba akwa wo ho ne say question will be say very good but ade bia be si a na e wo bibia e free answer AC what you see here kamede menem sanka de si Cecilia Mafo ene Joyce Blessing terminal ka maybe na asofo no because because sofo bit me from me no nyina ka omo at once ka we nyina enko to that extent what you see here I think said Yedana Samuabe ye no she was doing it to cover the Christendom. What you see here. But my problem is, why should Nana Agradaa involve herself into this? Because this is not the issue of a conforming Christopher. I will say, I am meeting say kotokofo na ebo ball and me what kotofo side. But this is about if I say ask if one na ebo ball. Now say one kotoko no be gina say me be control. Say it will not work. Why should you cry kotoko ask if kra ya ba create me book. Also na na ko ye no.
The football there.
Football is sanity. Now, Nana Agradaa no ade ba ko wo so usua ne say assembly otade me hu hye too much. What you say? Enye bibia na wo so de ne hu hye maye. Ye okay with your issues. Ye betinya solve. What you say? Asofo no your issue no we can solve it. And in the foreign issue no they can solve it themselves.
Sir.
What you say?
Okay.
Yes, and in the foreign fetish priest.
Okay.
What you say? say they see on me ya said Dana Samoa any say no. I'm not interested. What I want Dana Grada to know say, in fact, all fruit too much and the height is too much. All fruit too much because the way I involved in who any Christian domino is too much. Please. They know what you say.
Mate was but maybe I will kick a corner and person whom kakranche because senkamu sumu to munyama ya senko bi fear bontin metumufu senkamu ye munyama se ne se ene pata ye fa ne se eye evangelist Dana Samoa se wunua ba ono so Kristo ni ti se wa adomo no so wakọ ose won konkra kasa fa ne hu eno wode eye ne yonko ba kasa o si wakoka eye ne chem wakoka the private issue abontin petenti enye Oba abontin anka obeka ne saa so o kan the private issue anasa won konkro fa mu kan the private issue e wa abontin so na enye ena te se wutwa ho de ko ya enkenya asem wo kan wo biemu eye mi anka me de ahoma no kan mechiche no kom ena mesi na sum ka honom no o kebe ehu fi ensem okeka wo honom no wo bi ewiase ni krap no wo ti beka se sister yi ntimi mi ba mi mebufu show no me de ba Kristo sum mu a ebedina na because wo no krap wo ti Kristo mu a otunyom sa evangelist manyame no One class one and young Christo no ko bechi na yam ewo stage so na me meeting biase me si me bufo ha me niti sa nyama no ekose ya enye biase fo na na betu efo because na me ka me biase ni a make me tu
me ntwa wasem so hwe ma me kan se me kirawo Dana Samoa na nkasa no won say I ko say odi me wan ko enter politics no sometimes I don't blame her in that side
politics to me right
yeah I'm telling you once odi me wan corrupt politics no sometimes o ya de acronym say a political style all the na na koye no because asemo kai no useless and create peace so all the one be be kwa you are not there to create peace because who create peace are on come one side you speak for both sides yenti ya yasefo na nya ya mutube bu yani mase no because we always appreciate their own than our own I tell you, because some of it now, or particular was still see, show the Muslim for your cry for. Now, Yeshua, you are condemning your own party. It's a better than Muslim new creating to be in the accused of water. Confoya said, no, okay. For all you know, no. She bought the fillers from the same Christians. One more would be a software, you know. They are the same people who have been selling our secrets outside. Dana Samoa and Fashobe no nyae. Dana Samoa the okay and Fashobe no nyae wo. Look at what it is creating and look at where it is heading to. Say see asema ye kafa wo about your nakedness and about whatever of abortion. Obi aso no say oniba. Worry soda. Oh, for all you know, what is people going to say about you? And look at it like say bia. E me no kre. Because who be feel say on shame. And maybe when you are pregnant, you can abort it. Me can't say no crumb, but me can't say bye. Don't get me wrong. I bet we are here try again. Nakedness okay. Every crime will make us here. But the way I open to no. I don't know be correct. Say no correct. Man, me no me can't say. What's the type of scriptures? So watch me ah. Share obi Bible ah. Me patron obi man me pay. Okay. Yeah, Proverbs 17:16 man me pay. Oh. Ade bi wo se yama kwasiafo no e wo sika wo kwasiafo no nya sika e na sesi ya na awon so mo do sika to nya nsa free e fa se every one of wo chire mo no wasi de
me pacho bosu bi
Proverbs 17:16 wasi de
okay Proverbs 17:16
oh sana ko ba no because obi aso ya na sika to obi atam obi asofo atam obi Christopher atam but we are the same people when we are sick we are the pastors who pray for them. They are the same people when they are passing through pain. Send them causing them, and we are paying the price. The pastors, we are praying for the nation, and we are suffering just because of one person who is causing this in the nation. When I told you one moment, when told you one, can they get us? Because we are considered everything, so she can talk anyhow to us of Rosuni Christopher.
Bishop Pachomedu, why is there money in the hand of
the fools? Yes.
To buy wisdom.
From who?
When he has no common sense.
Common sense. Why?
Or even a heart for it.
That is it. From a tune, we're not to be trust here.
Or say, Adenti Nasika, Ewa,
Kwasiyasem.
Or the Tonyansa.
Or the Tonyansa.
Ah, on one only a dream. No, when I come on board.
What's your say? Because a woman feels on the sick they can control the Christendom. But I'm telling you, say, that as a man, whatever you call yourself, and as an Agbada, whatever you call yourself, don't spoil our Christianity with your game. You can handle yourself in any way you want to handle yourself. Remember to require the side, saying you're selling so favorite shall park. You can go and meet at your park. But when we are talking about Christian and Christ, don't compare yourself to it. The tea assembly will carry more.
Bishop, we are caution kakra, but then no, I got a same what can you say Dana someone evangelist and so to me sacred son. Nani su the fata Christo or no mube pedanisa. And I will share from the previous talks awaya, which means no condo, Namisum. One was one ye a Christophone to see any woman almost on you to a charm and a coupona, Cassa to inside their friend with pedanisa send me. Little Becca, they crossed it than as a mardianity, said then as a man the best son, I want to bet massacre, send a coupon and prakra. And Tina no onion day. But Patrick, that I was so no beer. David assembly.
David so Canada, media, and I hate you. Mimi that.
Okay.
What one so no give us that?
Me who be that?
What we so no need that? What the nakedness that? The protocol at the sign. Me no for call at the sign. What will be that? Obi na eka so Mimi who be that? So for you supreme I don't know. Because before we know what the nakedness, no. It is either the person is a man or the person is a lesbian or whatever you call it. Supreme friend saying.
And one body.
What is here? And this is we don't know. Because honestly, they are not Jadibition or Kasa. How will you know? And I make a say, well, say, most of the musicians know, and the Christendom know, we've sold ourselves to the political parties. It's a man, you know, they can insult us and they can tell us silly things.
Nah, Bishop Oka said they have sold themselves to political parties. And no, because say, hey. Ntimi ya Kristo ni ntimi me join political party ntimi me ntu aba na me nka o man no ana omo de omo aba omo to the party omo supporting omo kire so me support say wa kwa ni pe o ka o man ho de o ntimi ka say o man ye bibia me nyebi en nti ono nsa no de kire anu anti no na say Kristo suma say ana
my intro assembly there is difference between a public figure and the difference between a civilian and also be onamu ni ana kwanso keke
mi kire mu kakra my public figure
o your public figure o your software we juma say MPP, NDC, any other parties, no, you welcome them. I want to show your party, but you don't even have to show it up. But when you show it up, or other church, no one will show a different party. No one from your church.
You are so far, one church, me NPP.
No, yeah, it's not right.
Okay.
What I say, and then good. Let me show you the secret. You see, Christianity is politics.
Okay.
Let me show you something here. You see, Christianity is politics. Because the devil is looking for his own, and God also is looking for his own. What I say here, pa? And yeah, fair ministers because we still think, say, God is the president. That is why our name is called ministers.
Oh, okay. I feel Matthias. What
I say here,
minister.
That is it. Okay. Because we know, say, God is our president. What I say, the devil is not the president.
Okay.
Suppose the devil is a president, they could have said they are also ministers.
It's only a flag bearer of another party.
That is it. That is it. So you know. I want your opposition for.
Okay.
Okay. And I will not condemn Anagba too much. But I never come remember now when say, "Oh no, I'm temo and obi ntem."
Okay.
What you say? So feel said that someone never man go heaven the anion koswa. Because all this that someone AEP so see a copy of quarter. Mema what you say no say obi be chidom. Mark my words.
Say and some of their babonti.
I am telling the truth, mark my words. Said that someone at me and pennyphone be one and Nana Gada Umbechin or this area, another brother can a cre and no man
finish.
Oh, tea.
Okay.
She can decide not to say on fino.
Okay.
And you say good. But you know something? Integrity is needed. Yes, she say yes, sir, dear. Mommy, I'm telling the truth. If you say your parents is here no. Sit down and think of how many bloggers are picking it. And if they do.
Okay.
Now, the okay story no onya. So the way the person is going to put it, you will not be there. Meaning someone can comment that. Or say minimum woman is sometimes comment yen day. When you read some now obi am comment be watem. One guy say you are not okay with it. How will you feel comfortable?
Oh, me I go come when say the video free.
Comment no.
Na Bishop, asem yi kra na sase e ba ye no me kire sisi amafo ane Joyce Blessing temu no wo mu mienu akase mu se Joyce Blessing ko no de no ho a wo no ne de ye no kampo so wo beba aponte be kasa wo me kasa ye the time go for hwe nim say ida se wo no mu ba be kasa wo ade me nua amafo de ye me no mampe me ni anye wo now so se na entempa na fisa na do na de tie so na say Christopher nyum to fa so mo so de se obi aba no be kagu sisi amafo to no e do na wiasefo ne ka say na mo ampo no mu agasa mu nua mu kampo no mutimi support mu nua na te se mu nua mu ke egu no so na te se yeso ifi abonte kra be kakra ye nka ahwe nti bebi akika kono die na Christopher no mu ya enye writer achi asisi ade wiasefo na be mebu
dia me hu ni se ba ko ye eni Christopher ntem number 1 number 2 ye refi achi se ye Christo na edi na achi no odi no kure what you see
okay
na me pa kire mamin kan sem bi embra me condemn na agrada too much
okay
because obi enim na agrada wiye na me pe nenim
okay
ye one enim say bia ye ka say krade be chi no nya me afre no o se nya me afre no one enim say de be chi o chi na ko be ka say o ye sofo pa cho de be ka what you see yeah even to me condemn but me gidi say bi o ye no jabi bi so because answer obi betumi aye saade no onimu ehihye da ho na ade mre da ho enti de na agrada eye nyina no so no se me kabi e de ama obi no awse ye kabi wa ha
okay
because issue dey happen ye no de okasa first how me wo chire se ya no e da na samwa issue asana na agrada be no
da sami krampo na sha se kasa
but asana de me nka because oni sisi ama fo to kwada dada
all right
awu pe de enye important mami said that na someone de no
no correct
what you see eno na di ntokwa ne ba ye me ka me kura kire
ena ma ejegu
mbabri o Ghana ha no
okay
what you see yes de na agrada aye no so ye what you see but oyo too much do
eye wo kwan ben so
me kire wade
okay
sha ye dim so ye wiase ni ensese o ka Christopher won asem ana me boa
okay
but I'm telling you sometimes you back rate me to fu a wa hwe na wanti u ba na otumi koma ho kire ma make story bi kire o Bible no no ye wo di fo bi wo what you say ene ye wo hini bi wo ya friend Faro na Faro de kro mu na o di fo bi wo ya friend Faro niku Bible no mo Faro niku ene timi be share Israel for income e ka say na me ka che say Israel for income no ko mese Josiah eye ohin Josiah Satan no mo owu Josiah wu na ye tan because Josiah Pharaoh ko be share ni come Josiah say enya ni o beji Pharaoh ko atumuda because Pharaoh ko efi Pharaoh bushia no osaso ye konfo enti de konfo na ka kire ne say onyame ka kire say ma wo ko ekon ano ma wo ko ye ntokwa ma wo ko se no ndi ntumo no obekọ ama Josiah akoye ama die konfo anase odifo no ye fe no Pharaoh ko ne kaye no e be sie ama ne betu ye fe ne say Josiah
okay
ama Josiah wo bi a eye time you see sometimes the Lord can speak through them too
okay
what you say oh I'm telling the truth
sometimes akopon di wi ase phone tia e Christ
mommy enana me preach topic bi
all right
say efuo bi wo kra nyame na di ba yo oh you don't believe it First Samuel chapter number 11 verse 6 quickly oh efuo bi wo a aye nyankopon agasa ana ma efuo bi ba sa obufuo ra dia ne na wo mu a sa ma na otumi gina o ka say this process must stop this nkwasi asem no e wo say hand ya obufuo bi se be enta otu wu a aye nyame wo na wura mu e ba matodi o se bien
I say the spirit of God
came upon Saul mightily
when he heard these words and he became extremely angry.
Tieni ye utra sesen
Say Namu Eba, a yes or so. Never no so to me so pa. No net say or tin send you on a soon a shame of focus your pa.
Good.
Oh, you know.
But I say, I can never make us in a room one man called try union. This is a full man in Muno. One question demo.
No,
one go for. Listen, this nonsense must stop. It is time we will not allow the wealthy people to control the Christendom in this country. I'm telling the truth. What I say? This nonsense must stop. Because I need to see her. When there's a phone happy, nobody are counter it. That is very bad. The American, so on this one come Kosada.
So
what about the cases is here? Says your first Dana Samuel Koya. No, cry. What will you say?
Listen, I did some.
Check when it a 7 penny once a meal. Nanipa and the penny home. Awesome.
Okay.
What I say? Then Samuel and yet. Asamesia nipa no eye wufu a no hihisi na e wo se e ka asem ye be sene din no na wo tumi ka se ye mi anka wo da wan be set be chi ne ko eye
na me pa cho we de koma asem no so ma me se si ade nti ekrisofo mo se sam akwan na esi na wiasefo egum na mo kwa do mo som na se mo da so anem na se akukubra apa mo so ene we kan we akam we minutes se de ekoso mo we koso aye ne sa na se mo se sam akwan ma wiasefo no etimi enya respect dem because se no baby I wo hobby asofo no kran position no mo invite wiasefo de bom asoro m krampo e amate se no Kristo sum na ni wiase abum ala meboa
na pato ye condemn wiasefo se sofo invite wiase ni ba na asoro no nche se sofo no ye bonsam pacha utum.
Okay.
What you say?
Nkofo na ekantinam di bisa wa.
Enti misu me ba ma o ka che nkofo no. Asofo no mo ye sa no. Eno nche se wiase ni no ba asole no. O ye bonsam. For all you know, that person you are seeing say only be or wiase ni kura. E buka no ni nyame kura ntem kura no. E ye fe kura se sofo na ho ne se o sofo no.
Oh, okay.
The truth is what I'm telling you.
Ti ehun ya se be entity mu se we wiase ni.
That is it.
Okay.
Every time there I was a lion any serpent etime dafako. What you say? That's what I'm telling you.
No, all right.
Yen guy where you asleep where you Christian you know. Yen guy. God is no respecter of a person. Send any penalty be ya no. Oh yes. So mo your tiase no. Enyame abode no.
Okay.
What you say? Obi o wiase bia no. Enyame abode. So mo ye nkwa de bonsam fa no. Nyame betimi afa any time. Ntimpacho se sofo bi invite wiase ni ba na asori a. Eno nche se wa invite bonsam ba na asori.
Okay, tende normal.
Yeah, because me who say go be the taka. Se asofo akọ invite me kai emra ye what call it ebony wo hoyi. Obi sofo bi invite ni ba asori. Ama man foka say sofo akọ invite wiase ni oyi ni pant ni ni tru nyina ya church yi. E bi aba so na ye papa doctor Lawrence Tete. Ebe kan wasem ebe kire yansa ebo ne kure sisa ade bi o wa o allow for the first time o say mama ka enye say bi ade nkofo bere ye waso ye hu mu ye ni momu but ye sermons ni na ye expect say beti na som kakra.
Okay, did you to be sorry dem okrampo no o ye kra serious ni no
me see ebi mu ye serious for me nka say o ye.
Okay.
Please, what journalists for the way I'm put here, you know. Man, you're careful. I mean, watch it.
Maybe this was.
And I can say, then you should work because the old can you bet me, my nominal area castle. It's a woman you good. Say, we are say, Christopher, I'm telling the truth. Because minimum we are seeing a papa while you're crano. A chombi or your Christoni. Yeah. So we should not condemn them. So we are seeing now, God, yes. And I make sure say, Mama na se mo ka o se nyum bi o tumi tumi.
Oh, what's in the camp crampo no? Oh, when you see the near.
That's what I'm telling you, say. One say, Name enkumu no. What you say? For all you know, me say, Biana Nyami will be terrible the man in future. And we should not condemn her too.
Okay.
What you say? And in some way, no. Let's also appreciate. Say at least secret. Because say, you papa can Japan start so the feelings ibano. People condemn him. but at the end you hu niema bebre esiye ye resua ade all man so sanka Supreme Court amba na Electoral Commission ni sanka for be issues be yentibi say your pink sheet yellow sheet menim say you do class ha enti ade bia sia e ma yehu de won nchen ye resua ade what you say Ghana someone ma twufu kawe ne de kanya social media so na so oba ko won kwa say God's blessing ade esiye no fa che yenya penny what you say
all right
to be fair let me tell the truth sisi ama for no be all ya Ghana for ten ase all ya too much
yes you do no so
yeah
okay
all ya are too much what you say the last time I was watching a video me was in Pabwasha white and omo bell and all they call you see by their fruit you shall know them for all you know she got that not in the beginning but somehow no what deviate ya maniama say e wona brabo Timon Fancha no so why
okay Bishop Paul you better was say na answer ni be kono fa final ways to dra dia di nkomo bia ne ye nkai ba person fa ma ye wo mo ehwe nya no betimi e de ka wo dem
me da was pa dia metimi asra ne se me pamcho Mon Fancha dana asamoa se wan kan yi a Mon Fancha no Ghana for siselama fo so wanya ne yi a Mon Fancha no Mon fa ye sa se de tibia ye mo ade nyina na ye Open person am for him what he be da. Enye ne no be condemn no be sin abo. Dan asamoa ni what he be da. Enye ne no be sin abo. Me pam cho. Mon fan cho mo why? Ye ni na ye one. Na na gada so me pa cho. E ya jaye na Christopher yen kai asem. Se na waka bia kodu na ye. We can maintain our histories. Thank you.
Yes, so you better was say nebusuan for mope eye Bishop Stephen Paul ene ne din komon pa ye bia se no aka no obobo na banana me ye nja to ase ho ma
okay opa betimi agama me boss wa e bia na obi so o person otie so
all right
yeah no WhatsApp number eye 0276 ene me WhatsApp 0276 102084 0276 102084 and my mobile number is 0540 422 133 0540 422 133 Nami Enshirao
na ebusian for sabre aha ene de enkomo no embezi na bibia yeti wa ohwa mechi menchen otimi say bibia yefu oba wa hu sisi ebegi mu ube pie na tete obi aka say wo dance dia oba enko bibia we dey ebe wan kasa Raise Beauty Parlor and Closet wo makeup wo manicure wo pedicure wo ataria wo be share empabwa no bag a obekra ka ho ni nyom obi omsa perfume to credit account wo pie fi aka no complete human being this what dress ya manesi esi so ntimi sire wo ba we dey enye kwantinti bia abeka free pipe kwan so a eno mo kwan chen ya se wo mo fa bia nya yira kwan udu eye abeka free pipe a wo yes o mane akofom after the second speed rap ho enate say wo mo boutique no e woni ti bomodi a nepe eye Raise Beauty Parlor and Closet e check kwan no mo NCC ma oba won fe no endimu na ebusia for ye di AC no make us say bomodi a subscribe to my GH na biam so no share video way on all the social media platforms follow you on Instagram Twitter so at @GH_, Facebook too much GH. Medin Edna ama ubisa. Yame yaduma. Ibe di eshabi makramo.